Namaste. All right.
Okay.
5 days of labor complete. 2 more left in the 7-day week.
I have to edit that out too. That's not funny.
You have to edit that. That's why I put it in there. So you'd have to edit it, and I know that's a pain in the butt.
It's not that big a deal. I could edit you out of everything. So, it's on here.
Yes, it is.
Why are we having a meeting in here? We should be having it outside where there's a little breeze.
Well, it's hot out there too. That was coordinated.
All right. The reason I called this meeting is action.
The reason you called this meeting.
And it's because today is August 2.
Uh-huh.
And we only have 4 weekends until our guests arrive. All right, we have the mattresses coming August 17. Before they arrive, we have to take care of a potty. And we have to take care of a shower, which we want to do that sooner rather than later for our own benefit. And we have to take care of the lights. And we have to take care of the screens on the doors, right? And windows out there.
Okay.
And is there anything else we have to take care of? I think that's all we have to take care of. Oh, the paths. We have to finish up our paths.
Which paths?
Well, I figured we should get more marble and put it on the rest of the paths.
Okay.
So that
On the
they're
path
done.
that's already there.
Mhm.
Okay, all right. So they're all consistent.
Right,
What you're saying?
right,
Okay.
right. So, we need some marble, and we could even do that tonight because
That's an easy
that's an easy job.
job.
And my mother has told me that you can't work too hard this weekend because it's super humid again, and she doesn't want you having a heart attack and dying because then she'll have to deal with me. Okay? Right, Mom? You don't want that, do you?
No, I won't say anything. There's a line I could speak.
Yeah. So, all right. So, we're working on the patio lights, which is arriving in another video that will arrive after those patio lights are done, if they ever are.
Well, and then the question for me always is, if we build it, well,
They will come.
no, I was asking if they would.
Will they come?
No, the question for me is, if I build it and I put it somewhere, will it want to stay there? Or will it want to move?
No, I'm not going to move the shower.
You know the reason.
It's not furniture.
It would not be part of my
It's an outbuilding. It's an outbuilding.
It would not surprise me.
I'm not moving the outbuildings. I only move furniture. This is very different. I think we could do this. So then we just basically need 4 of those posts. So that sounds good. That was pretty harmless.
Woohoo!
Right? Yeah, Freddie. Yeah, I think that was pretty good. That was a good meeting.
That was.
Yeah, even though you're tired, you pulled it off.
Yeah, I'm good on it. I got a lot of capacity.
Well, I'm pretty impressed. Okay, sounds good.
Especially since you don't do anything.
We got a situation after sawing for maybe 20 minutes. Tom's saw stopped working. You think the problem is?
The motor fried itself.
The motor fried itself.
Yep.
Ah.
It's hot.
Ah.
That's my guess.
Did you get an extended warranty?
No.
Of course not.
As far as today goes, it's done.
It's dead?
Dead.
Okay. Well, the girls are coming sometime soon, and I figure you'd want me to help you with the shower, though, and you don't need me to help you with the doors, right? So why don't we work on the shower first? You don't have time for poison ivy.
So,
Okay. All right, so Tom's saw broke, but the amazing thing that happened, and we have these things happening all the time, is that my friend Stacy, I happened to just call her. She was on her way here, and I happened to call her, and she's like, I'm at the house. I haven't quite left yet. And I told her about Tom's saw breaking, and she said, I have a table saw in the basement, and my cousin gave it to me. I was going to use it, but I'm afraid of it. So Tom's welcome to use it. So she's going to be here in an hour and a half with the table saw for Tom.
Nope.
Okay, so let's talk about our shower. So what we're going to do today, and maybe you could face the camera.
Yeah, I'll
instead
stop.
Yeah.
Now we got something meaningful to talk
We have
about.
something meaningful to talk about. Stay away from me, because you are gross. So, I feel like I'm not in the camera.
You're not. I am.
So what we're going to do today, what we need is like a cameraman.
We do. Because you're off to the side and I'm like right dead on. See? You're way over there.
I'm close enough. So what we're going to do today is we gave ourselves a challenge this weekend because we had to buy all the cement and all the posts and the lights, and we had to buy mattresses. We've been buying some stuff lately, and that gets me out of my comfort zone. My comfort zone is to do everything with what we have, or have things given to us. This is kind of my goal, and that doesn't always work, but... So anyway, we decided that since we want to make a potty and a shower, instead of going out and getting all the lumber, we're going to use whatever we have here that's been sitting in the barn. And some of those things are old doors from the house. They could be 200 years old for all I know. And some wood that other people have left. And we're just going to combine all that together and make ourselves a shower privacy place and a potty room privacy place. So that's our goal for today, Tom.
Yep.
Until the table saw comes, and then you can go back to the screen doors if you like.
So all we gotta do is pull this stuff out of the shed, see what we have,
Yep,
throw it on the ground,
yep,
and see how we can lay it out.
Yep.
Make a plan as we go.
yep. That's what we're
Which
doing.
is your favorite style.
That's my favorite way to work. Spontaneously.
Yeah, that is totally.
I know. I know. I'm really excited
We're
about
gonna
this
be
project.
artistic today.
I'm very excited.
I mean, maybe, you know what I bet they did?
Now,
I bet they had something across here and your animal was there so they couldn't come up. I don't know.
huh?
Just theorize.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
That is too cool, though. That could be the door for the shower. It's already got a hinge. Tom's spraying everything clean. See, that side of the door is pretty freshly painted.
Yeah.
I don't know what that was to. Ah.
Yeah, the door that went into the library.
Do you think that's the door that goes into the library?
That could be.
We better measure that and check it before we...
That's in good shape.
Yeah, it's in good shape, and we could use a door there.
Yep.
Yeah, and the way it's crooked kind of says to me it might be.
All right, here's our doors.
All right. All right, we're trying to figure out how we're going to make a shower out of what we have when we realize we just don't have enough. And I thought it would be really fun to make it out of things we had in the barn, but it seems like we don't have enough things. We've decided on a 6x6 area right next to the barn. And we're actually going to pound some stakes in right now. Maybe. To measure out that area. And we have a 2x4 for the wall. And we have 4x4s for the end posts. is that?
I'm thinking that it might have been used to ground, either to ground an electrical system, and attach a wire,
Uh-huh.
and there would be your ground,
Uh-huh.
attach, be your electrical system here.
Uh-huh.
Or the other thing is it could have been lightning rod into the ground,
Huh.
so that
Oh.
if lightning strikes the barn, it goes down into the ground.
So it's nothing that interesting, really.
Not really.
Shoot. I want something interesting to find in that
That's
ground.
my theory.
Okay. It says on there it cannot be in the rain.
All right. So anyway, I mean, that's just kind of the project I got to take on then.
Okay, build a box. If you build it.
They will not come. Just building
What's it going to take to build the box?
I have to make a plan. I have to think about what's it going to be. I can't just start building. I have to go buy materials.
Why can't we just use what we have?
I mean, we can look at what we have, but I don't think we have the right things because it has to. The walls have to come out this far. It has to go around it and has to be able. We can look and see what we have, but.
Okay, I have an idea. Let's go take a walk. Tom's putting his shirt on.
We bought one. It was hard.
But don't try to be funny. I already told you, when you try to be funny, you're not.
I am funny.
You're not funny.
Yes, I am.
Nobody thinks you're funny.
There are people that think I'm funny. You don't. But all those viewers out there,
I'm not sure they think you're
they
funny.
think I am.
We only have four viewers out there.
And they all gave me a thumbs
I have
up.
43 subscribers right now. We're very popular. All right,
All right.
talk.
So Ruth was willing to sacrifice this lovely cabinet that's been with us for at least 4 years and has some sentimental value. So what I'm going to do is tear the front of this off, take the shelves out, take the top off. I'm going to put cut it with a saw, put a roof on, so that's slanted. Put some metal inside so it's inflammable, and then probably cut it down to the right size for the heater. Oh, we got a spider for the heater, and that's it.
Okay.
5 minutes later, I should be done. We'll be back after this commercial break. Not quite.
But the important thing is we're reusing materials.
Yes, we are.
So that's good.
And we're using Ruth's artistic, creative mind.
Yeah, because I thought of this too.
Yeah, you did.
I thought of
You
this
think of
whole
all the
thing.
ideas.
I know.
Did you tell them that you did all the work on the...
No.
Yeah. Not
No,
only does
but
she come up with ideas, she works.
yeah.
Built it, put down the stone, dug the hole,
Yeah.
I'm only, I don't know why I'm here.
Well, you're going to construct this. You're the one who uses the saws because I'm not to be trusted.
Well, yes, I did not want you using the saw the other day.
No,
You
look
said
how
I
I
built this, I'm like-
decorated the shower space right now because I wanted it to look beachy.
All right,
All right.
I'm ready.
You're taking off your shirt again?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, take your shirt off. I want you to...
I'll leave my dress shirt on while I do my
No,
work.
no, you better take it off. Just, they've already seen your beautiful chest. You might as well just expose yourself for some more
I
of
can't
this.
work in these
You know what?
conditions.
Well, this is the thing, you know? I suppose you're adding sex appeal to our video.
Oh, yeah, I suppose I am. Woohoo!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what a 57-year-old body looks like.
Yeah. Not pretty, but it still works.
Ugh, it's wrecking it. There it goes. That didn't take much. Oh, you just took the whole thing apart. I thought this was going to be easier because now you have to remeasure how far you do it. Uh-oh. Can I hear my phone?
That's your phone. There, we destroyed it. This could also double as a pulpit.
Oh, we could have used Dad's pulpit.
Yeah, that'd be a good use for your dad's pulpit. We'll just use it to protect our shower.
Yeah.
Figure exactly how this is going to work. Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty deep. Got a situation. We're leaking. You still have the water on?
No, I turned it off.
Wow. So we have it all hooked up. We have the water hooked up. We have the propane hooked up. We have the batteries in. And it's not working. So even the water stopped, which makes no sense because the water was going.
First thing to check is to ensure the incoming water on the right side of the portable tank of water here. The incoming and outgoing are reverse portable.
Hey, we got it working. So this little 15-minute project took us about 5 hours.
Nelson's a 15 minutes.